So I recently bought a calligraphy. So I recently bought a calligraphy kit, or the first set of basic calligraphy essentials. This one was from Kaligrafia, and me and my friends decided to try this out since it's very affordable. And this contains a straight nib holder, this one, and then a Tachikawa G nib, and then the black calligraphy ink that came with it is this one, and it also has some practice sheets. So I started doing or practicing using these guides. Okay, and of course there is a manual or a module. This module is very helpful. So it contains how you can properly, or how to properly use the or prepare the nib, how to prevent ink bleeds, and there's also a guideline of the drills that you can do, and also these modern script letters. So aside from this kit, I also went to the Craft Central a week ago, and I bought some calligraphy items. So the first one is this oblique holder by Louis Creations. It's called Moblique. So this is from the Craft Central, and it cost 595 pesos. So I plan to collect all the colors because it's very beautiful. It's so pretty. My next target is actually the copper Moblique holder, but I think that's around 695. It's pricier compared to this one, but it's very pretty. And then I also bought walnut ink, and then a gum arabic powder, which you can use to prevent ink bleeds, and then a gold pigment, this one, a gold pigment. This is, it's not a gold pigment, it's a pearl pigment in color gold, and it's just 100 pesos. And then of course, for me to mix this one and the gum arabic, I need a glass jar. It's just 30 pesos. And then what else? I think that's the only, I also bought a new nib. This is the Leonard G. It's just 90 pesos.